A man overboard on an ocean passage is all up to us. There's no rescue service to come and get them, it's up to us to pick them up. What we would do is stop the boat as quickly as possible using a crash tack, push the man overboard button on our GPS, deploy our safety equipment, which is the horseshoe, the Dan buoy and the light. With the boat stopped and the position marked and under control, start the engine, furl the sails and head back upwind to get the casualty.
Furl the head sail.
So we've now put some distance between us and the casualty. We're going to turn the boat upwind so we can have a nice controlled approach. In here is our man overboard recovery pack. On the shout of man overboard and the crash tack, our remaining crew have come up from down below. Harry is pointing to the casualty at the front and Brett here is getting ready to go over the side in a climbing harness. This is our ditch bag. It contains a helicopter lifting strop, a climbing harness and a spare harness line. Brett's going to go over the side on one of the halyards and the lifting harness is connected to our other spare halyard. This is ready to go, controlled from the mast. So Brett's going over on a spare halyard. Harry, if you can tell the lines now, we're going to send Brett over the side. We're going to clip him on with 2 harness lines so that he's secure and close to the boat. Hold on, Harry. And a second one that we can clip to the casualty. There we go. Okay, stop. Okay, let's lower him over the side. Okay, we now grab hold of the casualty. The boat's just drifting down towards him and we'll clip him on with your blue harness line. At this point we can relax, he's attached to the boat. Now it's a case of putting on the helicopter lifting strop. So now we have the helicopter's lifting strop. We do this at the shrouds on the boat where there's less movement and there's no danger of them being caught anywhere near the propeller, anywhere near the back of the transom which can slam up and down. So we've got him nice and secure, it's just a case of winding him out. Okay, Harry. Channel on. and step over. Okay, and start to ease him down now, Harry. Okay, good. We can now bring Brett over the side. That's on the other halyard. You can help a little bit. Okay, full crew back on board. This was a controlled exercise with experienced crew in fairly benign conditions, and even then it was a challenge. Doing this for real in an ocean swell with big waves, excitement and shouting, it would be very difficult indeed. Clipping on is the only answer.